Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic, commonly asked Python interview question and answer. What is NumPy? NumPy is a library for the Python programming language, adding support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. How do you install NumPy? Use pip to install NumPy. Pip install NumPy. What is Pandas? Pandas is a library for data manipulation and analysis in Python, offering data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. How do you install Pandas? Use pip to install Pandas. Pip install Pandas. What is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a plotting library for Python and its numerical mathematics extension NumPy. How do you install Matplotlib? Use pip to install Matplotlib. Pip install Matplotlib. What is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is an open-source library for machine learning and deep learning. How do you install TensorFlow? Use pip to install TensorFlow. Pip install TensorFlow. What is Flask? Flask is a micro-web framework written in Python. It is classified as a micro-framework because it does not require particular tools or libraries. How do you install Flask? Use pip to install Flask. Pip install Flask. What is Django? Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. How do you install Django? Use pip to install Django. Pip install Django. Now, what is BeautifulSoup? BeautifulSoup is a Python library for parsing HTML and XML documents, extracting data and navigating the parse tree. How do you install BeautifulSoup? Use pip to install BeautifulSoup. Pip install BeautifulSoup. What is Scikit-learn? Scikit-learn is a machine learning library for the Python programming language. It features various classification, regression, and clustering algorithms. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.